But winter weather has one more word to say for the last day of 2023, and in fact that comes in the form of winter weather advisories that just in the last minute have been expanded to include all of northern Illinois. So this includes all counties in the state line area. This is due to freezing drizzle that is looking likely to develop tonight. So we could have some patches of black ice forming on the roadways. So as we take a look over the rest of tonight, could be seeing that freezing drizzle happening. So make sure to be careful out on those roads. It's going to change over to snow after midnight. This is all coming ahead of a low pressure system right now across northern Minnesota. That's bringing those snow chances that we've been talking about for the last few days coming in tomorrow, but it is still going to take a while to get here. So we do stay cloudy and pretty chilly over the rest of the evening. Temperatures staying right at around freezing, but that's going to lead to that potential chance for freezing drizzle. Looking like mainly after about 9 o'clock or so is when we have that freezing drizzle coming in. Here we are looking at future track closer towards 10 o'clock. There you see very patchy freezing drizzle across the area. So where we see these going through, we see that potential for some slick spots forming out on those roadways. As we continue over the rest of the evening, still seeing that change over to snow by midnight. So we are going to see less in terms of icy precipitation, going to be changing over to snow after midnight. Snow showers then continuing over the rest of the morning. Main area of snowfall looks to come in late morning into the early afternoon, mainly for areas along and east of I-39. That's where we could see some accumulations up to about an inch or so across the area. Elsewhere up to about a half an inch with more isolated activity farther west. As we head into the evening though, we will be drying out here locally. If you are headed out to Chicago for any nighttime New Year's Eve celebrations closer towards midnight, they are probably still going to be dealing with some snow showers out there. So still seeing some wintry activity closer to the lake by midnight, but by here we're going to be staying dry. So to recap, tonight freezing drizzle, then flurries after midnight, temperatures down into the mid to upper 20s, I should say. Then heading into tomorrow, some light snow, pretty breezy too. Temperatures still hanging around in those low to mid 30s over the rest of the night. And then looking at your New Year's Eve forecast, as we're counting down to 2024, we have clouds clearing out overnight, 26 degrees with wind chills still in the teens as that breeze slowly begins to calm down. But as we take a look here over your 7-day forecast, you can really begin to see that we do have much more sunshine coming in for the new year. Temperatures staying at seasonable levels, and in your most accurate 10-day forecast, you see how that pattern looks to maybe change up a little bit, maybe turning a little more active after next weekend. But Sam just got to get through some wintry weather for tonight into tomorrow. Then we're clear for the first week of 2024.